What's up, everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we have some major trading and payout rules updated for Tick Trader. Okay, so I hope you're ready. Let's get started. Now, here's the first one. Traders, listen up. Big news from Tick Trader. The firm has just announced significant updates to its trading and payout rules. And if you're trading a direct account, you need to know this. From new drawdown limits to payout adjustments and even a game-changing update on microscoping. We're covering everything in this video, so if you're looking to stay ahead and secure your profits, stay tuned. So, the reasons behind the changes. Let's dive into the reasons behind these changes. Tick Trader has been keeping a close eye on trading patterns and uncover a concerning trend of hedging strategies that have led to massive unjustified payouts. This type of activities threatens the long-term stability of funded accounts. So to ensure a fair and sustainable environment for traders who play by the rules, Tick is implementing key adjustments. So let's break them down right now. So here's the updated drawdown limits, okay? As you can see, this is the first big change. The new drawdown limits for direct accounts, so direct to funded accounts, okay? For the $100,000 accounts, the new drawdown is going to be $4,000. Before it was $5,000, okay? For the $150,000 accounts, it's going to be $6,000, the new one, new draw limit, and before it was $7,500. And for the $250,000 accounts, the new drawdown will be $9,000, and before it was $12,500. Yes, this is a big change, but as you can see, they need to protect the capital in order for them to continue and being active and giving out payouts, right? So from there, important, if you purchase a direct account before March 23rd, 2025 at 8:59 p.m. UTC, your drawdown limit stays the same as long as your account remains active, okay? And the key takeaway right here is that the 50K base direct accounts remains the same. Nothing's changing there. So you have about 2 to 3 days to get your accounts if you want to keep the old limits, okay? After March 23rd, 2025 at 8:59 p.m. UTC, everything will change to the new drawdown limit. So my suggestion is if you want this old draw limits, make sure that you go now and purchase your accounts. So the next one here is withdrawals from the safety threshold. Okay, this is another big update. So starting March 24, 2025, traders can only withdraw profits that exceed the safety threshold. This means if you're holding a 150,000 direct account, you need to maintain a balance of at least 157.5 from the old accounts, or if you have a new one, it will be 156K for the new accounts, okay, before you can withdraw any profits, right? So what does this mean? If the old ones, if you have the old accounts before they change it to the new ones, you will need to make a total of, if you want to withdraw $3,000, $160,500 before you can request a $3,000 payout, because your 7,500 will be the new threshold that you need to keep in there, okay? And for the new accounts, as you see, it will be 156,000 that you need to make. Well, if you want to withdraw $3,000, you will need to make $159,000, okay, in order to withdraw that 3,000, and you need to keep the 6,000 there as a buffer. All right. Now the good news is that the payouts requests made before March 23rd, 2025 at 8:59 p.m. UTC are exempt from this rule, so you have a few days to try to get at least the payout from the regular rules. Okay. So what does this mean for you? You need to stay disciplined with risk management and ensure your accounts grow beyond the safety threshold before planning your withdrawals. Okay, that's all you need to do. Just remember, you have to just make a little bit more money and stay a little bit more disciplined. Now from there, here's for the virtual live arcade reward updates. After 2 months of strong engagement, Tick Trader is enhancing incentives for risk managers and live traders. The new profit split in the same phase is going to be, well, before it was 9-10. Okay, you will receive 90% and they'll keep 10%. Now they updated it to where you're gonna keep 80% and they'll keep 20%, creating a share pool for traders and risk managers. Reminder, if you submit a payout request before March 23rd, 2025, you'll still get the 90-10 split. So you have a few days to get that, okay? This change is designed to foster long-term trader success while rewarding active participants in the program. Now, from there, this is the only good news that I'm seeing right now, and a lot of the people on Discord and everything, right? What they're saying is for the microscoping rule, they have removed this. Okay, so as you can see, here's something every scalper will love. Tick Trader is removing the microscoping rule. What does this mean for you? You can trade in any style at any time during the any market hours. No more restrictions on rapid in and out trades. So if your scalping is your bread and butter, you're officially free to do so what you do best. All right. So this is like the only thing that I see that is a positive for scalping traders. Now, as you know, I like to give bonuses out to people that they invest with us. So if you order any of the Tick Trader accounts, I will give you a special bonus. If you order at least one account, I will give you my risk management indicator. Okay, if you buy three or more, you will get my VIP momentum indicator. This is the Lamborghini of momentum indicators, and I'll show them to you in a bit. So all you need to do is purchase. If you go to roichampions.com/TTT, and my coupon code is ROIC, ROIC. From there, you send us a screenshot with the proof that you bought from us and send it to roichampions@hotmail.com with the title Tick Trader Bonus. Okay, now let me show you what this is. So if you go here, as you can see, I'm on the NASDAQ right now. I already set up the risk management. Okay, or let's say I want to enter right here. Okay, and let's say that I want to go short. As you can see, I double click and it's giving me to take profits. It's giving me all the information I need here, the account size, the market, entry price, stop loss, contract size, risk management, take profit 1, take profit 2. It's telling you everything that you need, how much you're risking, how much you're making, right? And you can edit this, of course, inside the indicator, and you can also move this if you want to risk a little more, right? If you want to take more profit, with the what's it called, with the anything you want in the indicator is edible, so don't worry. You can come in, you can add more take profits as well. Okay, so I'm gonna give you that if you buy any of the accounts. Okay, so this means if you go to richampions.com/TTT, you buy anything from the $50,000, $100,000, $150,000, or $250,000 accounts, I will give you that, okay, for free as a bonus. Now, I will give you a special VIP bonus, which is my momentum indicator, which is the Lamborghini momentum indicators. If you buy three of the Tick Trader accounts, it has to be the 100,000 or above. Okay, so the 100, 150, or $250,000, because this is an expensive one and I don't want to just give it out for free. So you need to make sure that you get at least three of any of these accounts, and I will give you this indicator right here. Now let me show you the difference on how this one works. Okay, so give me 1 second here. Let's do MACD. So the MACD here, okay, now as you can see right here, okay, so let me just show you guys how advanced this indicator is. As you can see, we got the signal here on this candle, okay, that we're going down, right? From there, it was at 7:45 a.m. Then from there, we got the cross here at 8:05 a.m. Okay, from the regular MACD, mine gave it to us about 15 to 20 minutes ahead of time. All right, now let's look at another example right here. As you can see, here's where the MACD switch at 4 a.m. Okay, telling you that we're going to the upside. Well, my indicator gave it to us at 3:30. Okay, so that's 30 minutes ahead of time, right? Now, not only does this gives you signals ahead of time, Okay, but also you get divergences on the chart if you like, and on the oscillator, and you also get support and resistance levels. Okay, so as you can see, here's some resistance, here's some supports. You can also remove them, you can also change the color, whatever you want, but I do not usually give this out for free. I usually give them as a bonus if you're buying my 1,000 and above products, or if you're gonna buy it for over $600. Okay, but I want to help you guys. I want to be one of the YouTube that influencers here that if you buy from us, you get rewarded. Okay, so I don't want you just to buy, just to support the channel, which would be great as well. But I want to give you guys something in return also. Okay. Now, these are all custom indicators that we created, and they're going to be for you if you want them. Again, you need to go to RI Champions forward slash RIChampions.com forward slash TTT. And to get the momentum one plus the risk management calculator, you need to buy at least 3 or more of the 100,000, 150, or the $250,000 one. If you buy the $50,000 account, you're gonna get the risk management only. Okay. Again, the way that you do this is take a screenshot after you purchase, send it to ROIChampions@hotmail.com, and with the title Tick Trader Bonus. Okay. Now from there, let's see. Here we go. All right. Now from here, here's the recap. Okay, the new drawdown limits for direct accounts. Withdrawal must exceed the safety threshold. Virtual Live Arcades now has a revised profit split. Microscoping rule removed. You get my VIP indicator as a bonus if you purchase the accounts. And don't forget to hit the button, the like button, and subscribe for more updates. Also, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you want me to take a look at other prop firms or any indicators or trading strategy that you like. And if you do hit the like button, subscribe, you're going to get more funding firms, information, trading strategies, and industry insights. And as always, trade smart, manage risk, and let the profits come to you. All right. So there you go. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, go to ROIChampions.com forward slash TTT and submit the coupon code ROIC to get my bonuses. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.